There's never been a more important time for children in America to have civic education in their classrooms.
Unfortunately, teaching of civics in this day and age has gone into disrepute.
The court is in session. The Honorable Nathaniel Gorton will be presiding.
Kids are being deprived of the ability to understand government, politics, power, the infrastructure of the society in which we live.
I'm very excited to have the opportunity to talk to you tonight about how much this program, Stand Up for Your Rights, has impacted me. This program has helped me participate in class and helped me with my explanations during school.
Stand Up for Your Rights is our mock appellate program, and it is an 11-week program where middle school students are paired with volunteer attorneys from the community. They engage in an in-depth study of the Bill of Rights, and then they develop and prepare arguments.
May it please the court, my name is Jamisha Polk, and today I represent Andre Gaines. This case is about an unlawful search of Andre Gaines.
At the culminating event, they come to the courthouse and they present their arguments before a judge.
They actually make an argument to a real judge in a real courtroom. And the more kids we get into this courthouse to do something that's positive, the better.
Did the individual give any reason why there were smudges on his hands?
He said he was doing a project after school with the homework, but if he was doing a project after school, wouldn't he take a shower in the morning and the smudges would get out?
Stand Up for Your Rights focuses on the First and Fourth Amendment because the First and Fourth Amendment apply directly to public schools and to students. So the ideas behind free speech and search and seizure are directly relevant to students.
They understand that in appellate courts, the judges often interrupt them with follow-up questions.
Do you agree, attorney, that he left the class for 5 minutes and that may have been enough time to do graffiti?
No, because 5 minutes to paint a whole wall, that's not enough time.
And they're not, soft questions. They're the tough questions that the kids don't want to be asked, but then in the moment, that's what makes their argument strong. That's the moment when those students really rise to the occasion.
When he started searching on his person, that was too much because if he didn't find anything in his bag or his pockets, why keep searching?
My students have learned a lot from participating in Stand Up for Your Rights. The biggest thing that I think it teaches them is confidence.
But I think it's reasonable because he wants the school to be safe.
It teaches them that their voice is important and valuable and that they have rights and they have the ability to stand up for those rights.
You've got to stand up for your side of the story, and we're trying sometimes to see if you'll actually stand up for your story. But y'all did a very good job.
It was very encouraging for me to have a Massachusetts justice telling me that they truly believe that I could be a lawyer.
This is an opportunity for us to not only share what we do, but to shape the future lawyers.
I wouldn't have even thought about taking my LSATs if it wasn't for discovering justice.
We have the chance to watch kids shine. Children who were reticent and shy, they are now standing up for their rights and the rights of others.